Hi, this is Jamie here for GearBest. I'm very excited about this video. It's not a cell phone, not electronic equipment, electronic but not tablets or cell phones like usual. This is called Paper Rang. It's a pocket printer for photos, for notes, for everything that you might want to make it a real material version of it. So I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna test it out, like print out some photos from my own album. The reason why I'm keep smiling and being very happy is I am going to, for the very first time, reveal the love of my life and print the photo of him out for the very first time in front of the camera. So I'm gonna do the unboxing first. So I really do hope you stick through this very quick unboxing because I'm gonna print out the love of my life for the very first time. So what we got here, this is my phone, can put it on the side. I'm gonna open it. Nothing much to actually talk about this Paper Rang pocket printer because it's a very simple equipment. See, it is very light, very lightweighted, and it's super easy to change the paper. Nothing really much to talk about the box and the item itself because it's very simple to use. Not redundant, nothing very redundant, just a user manual and a cable right here, very nicely portioned here for charging. That's pretty much it for stuff about the equipment and also stuff inside the box. I'm going to actually use my own phone, use my own album, and use the app to actually print out the love of my life. So I'm going to unlock my phone, it's right here. I already pre-installed the app. It's in Chinese, but nothing to worry about. They actually have a QR code here for you to scan from your app shop, which is going to make the searching and everything a lot easier for you to find. So you'll need to download the app as well as get registered on the app itself, and then you'll be able to very easily just print out the photos from your albums and also reminders and notes, whatever they would like to print out for yourselves. First things first, you need to turn on the equipment, the printer himself, and then download the app that says right here, log in, which I've already done. As you can see, the app right here, it's only available in Chinese version, but not to worry, I'm gonna log back out and do this. Let's do it together so you'll actually get too familiar about this. I'm gonna log back in as I've already registered, and it's right there. As you can see, turn your Bluetooth on. The machine is right here, ready to be paired. And I am pairing it right now. Pairing, waiting, and it's paired. So as you can see, it's right here. You can actually print it out. This says editing it. So I'm gonna print out the picture of the love of my life. I'm very excited. I never ever showed him in front of the camera, in front of the video right here at GearBest. So very excited and a little bit nervous. So let's do this together. When I press this one, that shows the image icon. This is for my selection to actually print out pictures. Where's the love of my life? There you go. I'm gonna print him out. This is working very quickly actually. It's in black and white, very modern, very cool, very, you know, old-fashioned type, and it only takes you like around 5 seconds or something, and I'll just tear it out like tearing a receipt. There you go, the love of my life. His name is Pancake. I adopted him for like 3.5 months ago. Really love him. He's very sweet, very nice. He's probably right now sleeping at my place, waiting for me to get off work and go home to him. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's very quick sharing of the love of my life and this very cute item that I really love. So I really do hope you click on the links below, like and subscribe to our channel, and try do more creative stuff, so, you know, print out stuff that you think is worth memorizing. I'm actually gonna, before I end this video, I will put this at the back of my phone case. I really love this. I'm gonna keep this, probably the machine myself. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to say goodbye. This is Jamie. Thank you for watching, and I really miss you guys. So I'll see you next time.